Defending champions Kingston College secured a come-from-behind 3-1 victory over Vauxhall at the Stadium East Field as the second round of the Issamanian Cup competition kicked off on Wednesday. Vauxhall, who went into the break with a 1-0 lead, conceded in the 49th minute through an own goal from Javon Shepherd. KC then took the lead in the 71st minute through their captain Jamari Morrison with his first goal of the season. 3 minutes later, former national under-17 player Dwayne Atkinson stroked his 11th of the season to seal the win. But despite the victory, head coach Ludlow Bernard was not pleased with their performance.
We made a simple task look very difficult here today. We're guilty of very faulty shooting, poor decision making in and around the goal. We conceded early, very unluckily. I think the other team really pressured us, but at the same time they left a lot of spaces at the back in the midfield which we exploited, but clearly our finishing leaves a lot to be desired.
Vauxhall's coach Cheon Broderick reflected on the defeat.
Whenever you lose a game, you have to be disappointed. Disappointed in the result, yes, but not in the fight that the boys gave. They gave everything that they got. We made some errors, of course, in the concentration department, and it cost us. When you're playing against quality oppositions like KC, the quality attacking players they have, once you make errors in terms of your concentration and your organization, they will make you pay. And they did that somewhat today, but we have a second leg and we'll be fighting come the second leg.
And over the Spanish Town Prison Oval, Wolmer's boys clipped St. Catherine High 1-0, courtesy of a 50-minute strike from Cheon Bernard.
Can't be comfortable, but happy. Happy with the 3 points that we come in. A very hostile place to play against a well-coached, St. team, and I must commend them for that. They put us on the back foot, but the boys show character, and we work hard to get these 3 points, going into the next leg. And we're going to plan again and come again.
Tactically, we played well. We get some half chances, 3/4 chances where we could have, make the keeper make some save, but we never get off any shot, and that was important in the game. We created opportunities, but not kicking.
On to a 0-0 draw in TVJ's commentary match, while Eltham and St. Andrew Technical played out a 2-2 draw.